Hi everyone, I'm Micheline from Americana Long Arm Quilting, and I have been thrifting again. So I've been looking for a stand for a little dorm refrigerator for here in my workroom, so I could keep some milk for my coffee and other cool beverages. And I found this one at Habitat for Humanity. As you can tell, it's seen better days. Somebody painted it and it's kind of got stains on it and everything. A little bit of chipped wood here. $10, exactly what I was wanting to spend. But y'all, I have found a diamond in a rough and I'm so excited about this. As many of you already know, this is a sewing machine stand. And I don't think I'm going to use it for the dorm refrigerator. I think I'm going to have to go find something else because I am absolutely in love with this adorable little machine in here. It is in absolutely pristine condition. Isn't she gorgeous? Now I'm going to get her all threaded up and show you all the little intricacies about her, okay? Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys is that the foot pedal is actually attached to the cabinet, and it has a lever attached to it, and you operate this machine with your knee. Isn't that fun? All right, so here she is. This is a white sewing machine, and it's from about the 1960s to 1970s. Not an incredibly expensive machine today. You can probably pick one up between $60 and $100. But I got this one for $10, and y'all, it was in this condition. I opened it up and I saw this. I mean, it is just in pristine condition. And I don't believe it's been refurbished because the cabinet hasn't been refurbished. It's been painted by somebody at one point, and that's it. So this machine was, I think, just barely used. If you look in here, the light bulb has no foxing, if you will. This rubber piece here is in perfect condition. All of this is just without grease or gunk or anything on it. The same with the bottom of the machine. Let me show you this bottom part here. Look at it. It's all just so clean. So I really don't think somebody used this machine very much at all. Now, the White Sewing Machine Company was started in 1868 by Thomas White in Templeton, Massachusetts. Look at that little light. Isn't that cute? They did automobiles, trucks, buses, agricultural machines, all kinds of stuff. The company went through some changes in the 50s and 60s. And eventually became the White Westinghouse brand. Everybody's heard of that, right? And in 1986, the company was acquired by Electrolux. The company now owns Singer, Husqvarna, Viking, and Pfaff. So I don't feel too bad for leaving my Pfaff sitting over there because I desperately want to use this one to do a quilt. Let's look at some of the features on this machine. First of all, look at how easily that spins. Not locked up at all. We've got a bobbin winder here. Look at this bobbin. This is where you'd put your thread for to wind your bobbin. It'd go through this little tension device and sit up here. That felt is in absolutely glorious condition. So, I mean, I just don't think this machine has hardly been touched at all. All right, I had to fix my bobbin a little bit, or my thread a little bit. When I was pulling it up and down, it came unthreaded properly. Like I was saying, absolutely fabulous condition. And now watch how beautifully it runs. I'm going to turn this light off so you can see in the video better. It's quiet. And just beautiful stitches. Let me put it on, oopsies. Here we go. Put it on zigzag. Got to get used to pulling my needle back up and lifting the presser foot again. I'm not used to having to do that with these new fancy machines, but look at the tension on that. Isn't she just beautiful? I mean, absolutely gorgeous machine. I am so in love with it. Okay, so I am so excited about this little old machine. I think she's going to be just a wonderful addition to my workroom. I am not going to be putting the refrigerator on her. I know that there was another cabinet like this that was also $10. I didn't open that up and see what was inside of it. I think I'll go back and get that one to put the dorm fridge on, and I'm going to keep this one out and I'm going to use it. But unfortunately right now, my drapery business is calling, and I have 6 bed skirts and about 10 panels that I have to get done in the next couple of weeks. So I'm going to have to put quilting to the side, but I'm definitely going to use this and make a quilt. Bye for now and keep quilting.